నేర్చుకున్నాం కాబట్టి అప్పట్లో.
Okay, you make it able to me. I just make it. Yeah, 99,400.
నీ పేరేంట ఎన్నాచ్చు కైనా
62946. 946.
My wife was ரொம்ப old case. I have a stunt.
After 6 months, they come out of my house yesterday. For me, the energy level has gone up. Pacemaker, don't live with the Oh, you?
Fine.
Fine.
Easy.
Then Bombay, Bangalore.
You are with Imre, is it?
I was in Imri for 85 to 97. 12 years.
Also.
అక్కడ
He rode my cycle also. He was studying in ISM Hyderabad.
ఇవి వస్తున్నాయి అక్కడ ఒక లైట్ పెట్టాలి.
When did you join Idea?
Huh?
When did you join Idea?
1976.
What organ raisers are coming later, huh? You are supposed to come first. 10:25 you are there.
Hello.
Nobody can miss him because the moment you get into the gate, you have to see. Are you?
Hello, boss. That's you.
No, organizing చెప్పి నువ్వు లా ఇప్పుడు ఇంత లేట్గా వస్తాయేమప్పా.
ఆ లైట్ ఆపోజిట్ ఉండు. ఆ లైట్ తీసేద్దామా? ఆపోజిట్ అయిపోయింది కదా ఇటు సైడ్ ఎటన్నా అన్నీ ఒక పక్క పెట్టేసుకుందామా?
Stage has come, everybody has to introduce themselves because
Next time I think we should organize name tag.
ఎవరో వదిలేనా?
Mobile number.
your brother is coming, Sandana.
Thank you very much for helping me on that day.
He is in touch with me daily.
I was short and
Are
Mercury.
you not ashamed of signing here?
99400. 400.
You will become rich, huh? By the time Parsar becomes
అది ఊడిపోయిందా?
you have to pay bumper collection.
చూడు
Parsar will come only to collect the money.
I think KGK is the best way. అది వరకు బాక్స్ పెట్టేవాడు. బాక్సులు ఎంత కూడా వేస్తున్నాడు, అసలు ఎవడన్నా వేస్తున్నాడా లేదో తెలియదు. వే ఆటోమేటిక్ దాన్ని చూసన్నా జాగ్రత్త పడతారు.
He is supposed to be the organizer. G.N. Prasad. He has the experience of working with Pati, V.K. Rath.
Where do you stay?
You are the only two people who come from outstation.
పంచర్ రాలేదు ఇంకా.
Golden period to silver period. Now it has become aluminium.
You are there. You are there.
His family is Dhanbad.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Finally, Grahalakshmi Colony has come.
Lot of change in you. Huh?
ఎంత ప్లగ్ ఉందా లేదు ఇదిగో
They're all scared to come to US. Don't go near to anybody.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Are you complaining about me?
They are scared of you.
Are you complaining about me?
Asha was asking where is Srinath, you find him and then tell him. KJK has complained.
So he is trying to find out whether I am.
Show it to him. Yeah, otherwise then you knew to hold on. Only he has to change afterwards. Our Pacha no? Pacha only phoned up. He said KGK has come, then he will take care of it. So he said he will come late, he said.
I'm worried Milana should not ask us to stay.
Who? It is already paid, no. What more you have to pay? No, I know, I was there, no. I signed.
The reception, they say you can't go out, but you can go in.
We'll stay here only. Rooms are there available, no problem. Paid, but I was
దేవీనగర్ గుడి ఉంది అక్కడ వెంకటేశ్వర గుడి ఏదో ఉంది
അവൻ മാധവനൊക്കെ റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ
सबको जानते हैं सर हम रौकेला में आए थे
all over India. Maximum transfer benefits. 5 transfer benefits.
You have become now 18 or
పిలిచాడు అందరినీ పిలిచాడు ఫోన్ చేసి ఆ రోజు వేరుముట్టుగా చూసా శాంతకుమార్ నలుగురు ఒకసారి
నేను రాజ్ కుమార్
Whoever wants a group photo,
Hi, how are you?
చెప్దాం మళ్ళీ స్పీడ్ దిగమని.
Hi, how are you? Good, good. Get me.
సార్ అందరూ ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్, అది రాలేదు ఫోటో. ఆ చివరి ఎక్కడ నుంచుంటే వస్తుంది సార్. ఈ కెమెరా సార్, ఈ కెమెరా చూడండి సార్. స్మైల్ సార్, స్మైల్ స్మైల్ స్మైల్. నాన్నగారితో తిరిగివాడు ఇక్కడ నాకు వచ్చింది.
But we are doing all in megawatts. Megawatts, nothing to do with high megawatts. Mainly for do minimum 45,000.
మీరు అక్కడే మేము ఇక్కడే How are you keeping?
What is the number?
Seeing you after long time. 30%.
I'm seeing you after long time. One day in a month.
Hi sir, how are you?
చాలా రాలేదు. ఈ జేబులో ఎవరు లైట్ ఎదురా మరి ఇక మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ అయ్యారా? ఏంటంటే వీడియో నాట్యం ఫోటో మాడుతుంటే చేయలేరా చేయలేరా బాగుంటుంది చేయలే అందరా వీడియో తర్వాత చూద్దాం.
He's focused.
Anything they will try.
Me and Aleka.
That is mine actually, I gave it to you as an honor.
You were the chairman of that committee. I was working for service company.
Sir, smile, smile, please, madam, smile.
The meeting is today. If somebody remembers it, they can tell me.
42.
Huh?
42.
42 people have come today. That's a great number. Okay. There have been instances earlier where even 70-75 people have gathered. They were old golden days. Okay.
All 42 are plus 70.
All 42 are above 70.
All 42 are above 70. As we are meeting year after year, the age also keeps increasing. Something which we just cannot prevent at all. We can prevent it only by
Also become 70 now.
going away. That is not in our hands. Humor apart, if it is humor. Okay. So thanks for all of you for coming, braving the weather as well as the traffic and other constraints of your own mobility, walkability, and so many other things. Who doesn't have a knee pain nowadays? Everybody has it. Okay. With all that, you are coming. Okay. It's a great opportunity for all of us to meet each other and update as to what is happening in our own families or with ourselves, and how we are dealing with life and how life is dealing with us. Okay. Life is also dealing with us in its own strange ways. So it's a very nice, pleasant thing to talk to each other. And then at the same time, you will also recollect what happened when we were in Ideal. Okay, who were very close to us and who moved away, who have now become enemies. Quite one or two. I heard somebody saying that they are not getting along well. Okay. X and X is not getting along well. That's what there is.
Even now.
Somebody was saying.
Even now.
Even now. Okay. So that is something very strange. Age must teach us something. Anyway, I am not a teacher, nor an advisor, nor a preacher. I will stop there. Then, as every year, voluntary contributions to run this show was suggested, and quite a few have contributed. How many have contributed?
All the 42 have contributed.
All the 42 have contributed. That's something very great. Let us applaud ourselves. Okay? That's something great. Okay? And everybody knows that means that there is no free lunch anywhere. You have to pay for whatever you are consuming. The enjoyment which you get by talking with each other, meeting in a single place once in a year, etc. There is no specific agenda for today. Okay, it's just by way of because my name is seen in the email messages. People think that I am the organizer. I am the last person. Okay, I am just a facilitator of communication with those who have email and WhatsApp to get people together. That's it. Nothing more than that.
Had it not been for the daughter of Mr. KGK Murthy and son, he would not have come here.
Correct.
They literally pushed him. They said, go.
Excellent.
And don't be here in the house. Myself and Mr. KGK came here together. Yesterday we landed here at around 7 o'clock or something. And had it not been for the daughter of Mr. KGK Murthy and son, he would not have definitely not come. He was till last moment he was saying, no, I have to go and consult my doctor whether I can go. They pushed him literally saying that you are free. Whether the doctor says yes or no, you are going. Because you go out of the house, you will not be the same person what you are. And he came.
I'm very happy that people have taken pains to come outside Hyderabad for this great meet. Okay? And then contributions have been collected, and everyone has given some money or the other. There's something very, very excellent piece of cooperation, not just mentally but also financially. Okay. Then photos are being taken by the photographer. I want to announce saying that last time and years earlier, people wanted to have some group photos of their own kith and kin. Department. Group photos can be taken, and if you want your own group, you can post for yourself. You would oblige by taking a separate photo, and you can make your own arrangement for getting print copies and taking his phone number and all that. That you can do. Then, except that we'll have lunch after that. We will discuss around 3 o'clock. Nothing more I want to say. Then I want to ask a question. Who do you, when you signed up for coming for this meeting, you must have had some X, Y, Z, etc. I want to meet so and so in the ideal get together. Who is that? Whom do you miss? Who you think that should have come, you could not meet, either in this meeting or in earlier meetings. If that is given, if there are one or two untrackable people, okay, I will try to do my best in putting people together. Once I actually, in another group, I helped one person from Bombay and another person in Madras to get together after 30 years gap. Through something they came to know, I found out the address at the lady in Chennai, because it was easy for me because she happened to be the daughter-in-law of Jagannathan, Kiva Jagannathan, a very famous English Tamil writer. So I could put them together. She made a special trip exclusively to come to Chennai and meet. So I take pride in bringing people together, those who lost their connections. So ideal meet is a once a year affair for ex-ideal people. I am very, very happy about this meeting, and in whatever way I am connected with it. And one more, I don't have an agenda, I just want to say that this ex-ideal meet has been happening in a sort of a haphazard way on its own. With some people, less noise please, just 1 more minute I finish off. Yeah, okay. We want to form a small team of 3 or 4 people who are volunteers, okay, who can take up this further. In further meetings, they will think about where to meet, how to meet, what will be the agenda, what would be the contribution, who will collect the money, all those things can be done. If it is left to the individuals, then things linger on and on. Okay, it's not happening fast enough as much as it should, as fast as it should. So, if volunteers are there, please raise your hands. I will make a note of it. Just a small team of 3 to 5 people who can cooperate and keep.
Here, one hand. Prasad.
GN Prasad.
GN Prasad, 1 minute.
GN Prasad.
There is nothing much to do.
Next
We
volunteer.
want the youngsters to
Volunteers.
Raju Ravindran.
GN Prasad.
These are all the youngsters group.
February 29th. So he
GN
goes
Prasad,
only 4
next
years.
please.
Hey, mira, we part take the bunch.
Hello, next. GN Prasad is okay.
Raju, that's my proposal.
Hello, what lady? Hello, Pakada.
Ladies group, all are above the level.
No, all of us are about 70 now.
That is what.
Yeah. Hello, any more volunteers? 3 people have GN Prasad, Ms. Narsa Raju, P.V. Ravindran.
Educators are around there. And we realize that
KGK has volunteered to take up all responsible outstation.
you know Vijay Karkade.
చెప్పావు నేను వచ్చాను
Vijay Karkade.
నీ వలన వచ్చాను నేను
Take up.
Vijay Karkade.
Karkade.
One more inquisition is there.
This guy is there.
You are an active member of the committee.
Mr. Zina.
Listen, எல்லாருமே head of it.
And my commitment next time will be 70 members. Please note down. Please note down. Next time 70 members will come. Hey, Raghu. Hey, Dada. 70 members will come. 70 members. 70 members will bring. Not
Excellent commitment. There is an excellent commitment of getting 70 people for the next meeting. Hello.
స్లోగా
Very good afternoon to all of you. Indeed, it has been a very good occasion for all of us to meet all the old colleagues and refresh our memories of idea and get together, and also the people's faces whom we had interacted very long during our ideal career. One thing I must confess and admit, ideal life has been very pleasant to all of us, especially the working conditions, the freedom what it has given us, wherein the learning has been very good. In fact, today if I am active, it's only because of the mental activity of the previous experience what I have gained, and I am able to share my experience with all the people. Number two, in this meet, we really meet and greet the people, wherein we get to refresh our minds with our old memories of idea. There are certain big personalities who have acted here to take it. For instance, Dr. P. Rasamurthy, then KGK Murthy, and Umamakeshwar Rao was also with us. All used to entertain, and our Vakil Sahab and Dr. Bahadev used to be a regular visitor in Ideal Meet. Ram Prabhakar, Divakaran and Shashidharan, all. We are used to refresh our memories of Rourkela also, when Mr. P. Raghavendra Rao, M.S. Sangarajan, all were there. In fact, that whole span of our activity has given me real mental happiness to me, and also Hare P. Divakaran.
He comes very regularly. Please tell him. Divakaran.
P. Divakaran. PK. Divakaran तो नहीं आ रहा. Hello, Martel. Hello. Martel. Hello, Martel. I am seeing the old women group which used to bring, always used to enjoy in this meet. And we are very happy to see you and Jayanti Menon and Loki Dakshan, who started this, really still very active in our memory. The way you used to help us, and even now all societal work Jayanti Menon is doing. I am indeed very happy, and to be very frank, this has given me an activity in my life, and to keep age is only a number. I have completed 85 to be very honest. I traveled. Yesterday only I returned from Bangkok. This morning at 3:15. So 5 days I spent there, and also I did parasailing in that boat and this and that. Or how can I do? Okay. So I thank you all the colleagues for the good get together we had. Okay, so wish you all the best. Keep the mind active. Happiness is from mind. It is
My marketing department is Ramesh Reddy.
I have the opportunity to go with him to Ramagutam. I enjoy it.
2026 event is written by you.
Yes. Okay.
Last Srinivasan is the lead.
Okay.
2026.
No problem. It's another not Satya. Thank you, Dr. and all the colleagues who are steering around this.
It should be a quality.
No, it's a team work. I don't want to only by one party. Initiate, we don't want to go ahead with the Thank you.
Thank you, Srinivas. You have done a lot of things to remember, recollect, and be happy about. Thank you. Yeah. You are there.
I am
Yeah. Now,
always.
yeah. Mr. Janardhan, we are missing him today here in the meeting. He is not physically fit to attend this meeting, and after that I have not heard about it much. So he said that the book has been published and it is available. An email about it is available with me, and Jayanti has shared it to all people. Those who are interested can pay 350 rupees or so. It is available also at the concession. Okay, I just wanted to make an announcement. Sir, Dr. Mahadevan would speak.
Because all of you, after a gap of 2 years, unfortunately last year we could not hold this meeting. So this meeting is all the more pleasurable to meet old friends and also exchange pleasantries with them, what their family is doing and what we are doing. So it has been a very nice gathering, and I am very glad to be here today. Thanks for the invitation, Mr. And thanks to Mr. Parsati and KGK for organizing the whole thing. And what can I say? Well, many of us have been expressing the view that golden days of ideal is what binds us, all of us together. And I fully endorse this view. It is those days where we all started with the company, grew with the company, and participated in the company's growth till it became #1 company in India for a couple of years. And however, unfortunately, due to various factors, the company had the owners of the company had different ideas of how the business should progress. And unfortunately today, Ideal is no more the force what it was. But okay, these dynamics in business is quite frequent and common, and one has to take it the way it comes. But it is a sad event always. Two things I would like to say is that one is that there has been a memorial of Mr. Varadarajan's time here, published in the form of a book. Jayanti has got the details, so anybody interested in seeing that book can get the details from her. The book costs 200, 300 rupees, something like that. And you will, many of you who have been associated with him very closely would like to know what it's all about. And sad demise of Ramanas. The second thing is that I would like to mention about Mr. M.S. Rangarajan, whom you know, many of you might know him. He was the chief executive for Rourkela. He was in the project planning in Hyderabad. And I personally would like, although he may not really like what I am talking about, it would be worthwhile that all of us contribute something for Mr. Rangarajan's welfare. Mr. KGK, you should organize this. And it is worth, he lives in an old people's home in Chennai. He's quite happy, I have recently seen him. But you should have something to see that he is not put into any more difficulties. I feel that he should also because with these words, I would like to once again yes, Mr. S.V. Ramana is another person whom you all know through his various posts and his wit and humor. and unfortunately he passed away some time ago. I could meet him a couple of months before he passed away, and I thought he was okay, he was probably recovering, but these diseases, one never knows at a particular age. You are fine today, tomorrow you may not be there. That's the way the life goes on. Ramana was one of the persons who was very active, and also he had a lot of humor, and I think people enjoyed his company and he enjoyed people's company. Another one is Mr. R.P. Sinha. He couldn't come. He was one of the oldest members of this ex-Ideal group. He lives in Ranchi, and unfortunately he is not able to move around, but he sends his greetings here. And Mr. Neelakantan normally attends. He also sends his best wishes to this gathering. So I think that's about it, Mr. Rasmurthy. That's what I want to say. And I once again wish you all the best. And let us hope we will all meet again next year. And in the meanwhile, enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. You have given a lot of things to think about and cherish. Sir, next P.K. Divakaran sir. Divakaran sir. Mrs. Divakaran. Yeah, I'll come there with the mic. You can.
You'll have this kind of a get together. Once you retire, you are forgotten. This is a very unique thing, and thanks, it's such a happy occasion to meet, and I wish everybody all the best.
Mr. Vakil sir.
For Indian detonators. Later in '69 it got merged with Indian detonators. So as a small rookie sales engineer, I was asked to travel about everywhere and promote our products. Now since then, the marketing department in Ideal has grown immensely. What was really fortuitous for us in our time where we had excellent bosses. They gave us freedom to work. They encouraged us to do. They condoned our mistakes. And as a result, over a period of time, Ideal, which was a small fledgling company of only detonators, it became a big competitor to ICI, which was the only company in that time. And the market, the government agencies, the customers started recognizing Ideal as a major contributor to their economy. I remember once when Mr. Ashok Hinduja went to meet coal minister in Delhi, Chairman Coal India was there, and so the coal minister introduced Mr. Ashok Hinduja to Chairman Coal India and asked him, how is the service of, he said that my company is Ideal company. He asked how, so Chairman said it is the best service that we are getting in the industry. That was the kind of technical service that we were giving to the customers, and it was a proud moment. I think Mr. Ashok Hinduja rang up Dr. Mahadevan and he said, your team is doing very well in this. So that was the standing we built Ideal, and all because. And what was good was very innovative Ideal. If you look, we were the first companies to start slurry explosives when NG explosives was the only dominant force in that time. G-gel and G-gal explosives came up. And I think Dr. Mahadevan knows permitted explosives was first developed in the world in Ideal laboratories. So this is the strength of our R&D. We did ideal mix, non-ASA detonators, which Dr. Yoga Narasimhan's time. And so this is the type of freedom I think every department enjoyed that freedom. We worked as a solid team and we raised ideal to a level that it was recognized as one of the best explosives company in India. And I think of course, we had a very good cooperation when we used to go to Coal India negotiations. Mr. Ramana was there in Calcutta. He is not here now, unfortunately. We had tremendous vibe in inputs negotiating with Coal India. If we needed costing data, P. Divakaran, we used to wake him up at night, 12 o'clock, and ask him, please provide costing data by tomorrow morning. Or if it is a technical, when ICI used to plunge in that the low technology product slurries, then Arshad Ahmed used to give technical inputs. So that type of teamwork that we built in Ideal, great Ideal, rising star, then it is unfortunate that Ideal now is now on a way out this life. But wherever we are, the Ideal DNA is still in our blood. And I think all of you, wherever you are working, it is always in our DNA. So we wish long life to the Idealites all the time, and we keep meeting like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Mr. Papa Rao.
Vasudev Murthy होती है ना
Mr. Vasudev Murthy, one of the senior person. Please, sir.
Friends, it's a very big pleasure to be in this place every year to meet all the old people along with us.
Only age out. We are young people, not old people. Young people.
I'm talking about old people. Okay. It has been a pleasant experience working in Ideal all the time, right from the beginning, and had no regrets at any point of time of this. So it also gives me a great pleasure to meet the old colleagues continuously year after year. I just only wanted to say only one thing. One particular point was raised by people about the superannuation fund problem. See, the case of death, the death certificate given to the LIC is sufficient for them to process the thing. That is the understanding. But unfortunately, there seems to be some confusion. There is some problem on that. But that is not, LIC cannot ask for all the additional details. They have to automatically do it. So only requirement is a death certificate and a joint account available with the wife or nominee, whoever it is basically. So that should be the okay thing. If there is any further problem, I think we have to tackle with LIC specifically to say this particular thing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Basically, let me thank the outgoing team, Mr. Parsardi and KGK Murthy and all that. And without much of hassle and all that, people have volunteered to take over, to continue with zeal and enthusiasm and promising the attendance also. Here I just would like about the company, colleagues, prospect, everything. Our seniors have spoken well and in detail. Here I only would like to enlighten one thing is what for we met here. See, forgetting all the status, status, everything. See, everybody has got a family and children settled somewhere or other. So my concept is the neighbor is your first relative. Please think like that. And friend is also a very next immediate relative. Anything what we require now is money is not always with us. Money everybody has got more or less. We need people. See, we have a team like Prasad and all these people who already have for anything, whichever happens, one telephone call away we are. See, let us all maintain like that. We wanted this, why we met here? Somebody, it need not be necessarily everybody's idea and mentality should be alike. But one thing is we want to share our, what we are, what we want. See, one thing is, here, one thing I remember, somebody made a tapasya about Shiva. When Shiva stood before him, he asked for 3 bones, whatever it is. One he said, Anayasana Maranam, Vina Dainyena Jivanam, Dehante Tavasai Dehime Parvati Patim. Anayasana Maranam means without any suffering, without getting served by others. I want to die. It's like this. When nebulizers were not there and all that, when 3 months baby was suffering for breathing with a lot of what you call in their nose, how this will come out? The mother takes his nose into her mouth and sucks it. That is mother. When that mother wants, at her old age, when she started pissing in her sari, this thing and all that, when this will die and all that. This fellow looks like that we have most of our people have witnessed this during this corona time and all that. We had so many stories about that. So here I wanted to propose, whoever it is, all the people's sons and siblings must not be here and all that. So Mr. Prasad will take it up and forward some numbers. Anytime, anything happens, we will be a telephone call away from your needs. We will be proud and we will be happy, we will be honored to attend anybody's requirement for anything. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
Hello, I am Ajay Ghosh. I would like to narrate my entry into IDEA. Actually, during 71, I have failed BSc. After that, I joined in Kark Davis and Wazir Sultan. As I did not like those jobs, I approached my brother-in-law, who is an income tax commissioner. Are you able to hear me? Hello? Are you able to hear me? So I approached my brother-in-law, who is an income tax commissioner at Delhi, joint commissioner. He is a very closely associated to Mr. Katoch and Vardaraja. So then he said, Raman Rao has sent a jeep to me, to a house for joining in the IDEA. At that time there was no interview for me. Simply they have issued an appointment letter and asked me to sit in corporate personnel department as assistant. I think G grade or K grade or something like that. So, basing on my performance, there was a Mr. Valayapati, deputy manager, he is IIT Calcutta. Then he has recommended my case to higher positions. From there, I transferred to as a security officer. I was in the security officer post for about 14 years. Normally in the organization, a labor-oriented organization, security officer will be ex-serviceman or a police. I am only a civilian. My successor was Ekbote and Lieutenant Colonel T.J. Reddy out there. I continued for 14 years. Then I have been transferred to transport. I was in charge of sometimes transport. Then I have been transferred to canteen. I was in the canteen for about 4 years or something like that. Then I have been transferred to second stage, filling and pressing. During my service in filling and pressing, at that time press files are more. Though I am not a technical man, press files are very less. Press files are very less. Then again I have been transferred to administration. There I have retired. Why I am telling you, the way Ideal helped me because of my performance, not my recommendation. Because my performance in security, I think I have to thankful to Dr. E.G. Medani has recognized me. These are all my stories. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ghosh, for excellent narrative of Ideal life. How it was for you, how you entered, how you prospered, and we are grateful about it. Would you like to say something? Lastly, Mr. P. N. Prakash will say a few words. After that, we will discuss lunch.
Natural intelligence is what makes us come together. I will recall some of the small incidents which helped us come up. When I joined in 73, I joined up, worked, and then in 74 I had to go for my post-graduation. I did that, came back, and it was Mr. Katoch with whom I worked first, V.C. Katoch. He was a person who helped us, literally helped us come up as a professional. I remember when my first trip to Rourkela, he just called me, tapped on me and said, "Come Prakash, come with me." That was the first time when I realized that I could go with my boss together and then work at that place. That was the first. Second, after that, with Dr. Mahadevan, the way I worked with Dr. Mahadevan, it was something remarkable. It was not just an idea. The way we got to get to bond each other was because not just about professionalism, but about personal interest. In tennis, the way we played, the way we would understand, these are certainly the things which helped us grow together. Some things which I remember, and I do recall once when after we much retired, when Mahadevan was in Chennai, was also there, so we go and play tennis in Besant Nagar. And I met him there, and he came and he called me, and then he came back with me together. It was such nostalgia which we can always remember. See, these are things which help us grow up as a family. And last but not the least, let me tell you, a very funny incident is taking place now. Vasdev Murthy was with me sitting there, where Badri sits, and Vyasamurthy was sitting there. And the person came and introduced and said hello. We remembered him by face. Then he quietly asked me, "Who's that person?" I said, "That is artificial intelligence." You remember person by face, but not by name. But that is what matters. Artificial intelligence and natural intelligence is what matters. We remember people. We may not know their name, but what they have contributed, what they have done, what they have done to us, ideal is what matters. And I really am happy that we could get together again today after 2 years. Last year I missed it, doesn't matter. But for next year, let us make a reassurance. I want everyone to listen. Please listen. Next year,
We are going to make this happen. Come what may, all of us will join together and then see that we make our get together happen. And I am the first person who wants to initiate it. Wherever it is, we will do it. Please all of you, whoever is in favor, stand up. Then say yes, we will make it happen. This is what it is. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prakash. Excellent. Some more items to remember, recollect, and rejoice. Thank you so much. Now, the formal meeting and the ritual is over. Asking us to join all of us for lunch.
Group photo.
Group photo. Yeah. For people who want to post for.
ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్ ఒక్క నిమిషం
सभी विजिबल है ना सभी नजर आ रहे हैं
बाबू अंदर रावालम्मा बाबू 2224 डॉक्टर EGM साहब जिंदाबाद डॉक्टर EGM साहब जिंदाबाद
ఒక్క నిమిషం
our leader
రెడీ చెప్పు
సార్ స్మైల్ లేదు సార్
perfect రావాలమ్మా
తీసుకుంటూ వైడ్ ఉందప్ప
సార్ ప్లీజ్ క్యామ్ లుక్ సార్ ప్లీజ్ సార్ స్మైల్ సార్ అట్లే
అలా లేరమ్మా
ఇప్పుడు ఆడతారు ఎగ్జామ్